to do an entry. Okay, so first, I have to share with you guys what is the trend. Actually, there's two types of the trend in the market. One is uptrend, one is downtrend. But I didn't mention about the sideways because sideways you can totally ignore. When you see the market is in the sideways status, you just ignore and you just close, you just shut down your PC, you just shut down your phone, just go to sleep. Don't trade when the market is on the sideways. If you trade when the market is on the sideways, you will very difficult to earn a profit. You have to know about this. Okay, you have to know about this. So first, when uptrend, these are the characteristic of the uptrend. First, you will find that if the market is on the uptrend, it is showing like higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low. This is the characteristic. It's showing the uptrend. If you don't know how to identify the uptrend, when you see this higher high, higher low, this characteristic, you will know this is the uptrend. How to identify the downtrend? The downtrend is a companion with the lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low. So later I will teach you guys how to identify the real lower low and real lower high. So first, when you guys want to identify the trend, you guys better using the higher time frame to identify the trend. Don't use 5 minutes, don't use 15 minutes, don't use 30 minutes, because if the time frame is smaller, the trend that identify is not really accurate. So you guys have to use the higher time frame to identify the trend. So what the time frame I recommend you guys to identify the trend is 4 hours, daily or weekly. If you guys use the 4-hour chart to identify, okay, today market is uptrend. So today, guys, you just target for the long entry, guys. Today, you just target for the long entry. You no need to target for the short entry anymore because you already using the 4-hour chart to identify this is uptrend, guys. Okay, so the second thing. So how to find the correct trend? Okay, so first, this is the uptrend example. So first, when the trend is going out, okay, when the trend is going out to the peak point, so this is the swing high. Okay, when the price coming down, this is the swing low. Okay, so how to identify the correct swing low? First, you guys have to know if the swing low can bring the price, okay, if the swing low can bring the high, break the previous swing high, then this is just considered the valid swing low. If the swing low can bring the price, break the previous swing high, then this is just considered the valid swing low. If the swing low cannot bring the price, break the previous swing high, it is not considered the swing low. Yeah, you see, BOS, break of structure. So when the swing low bring the price, break of structure of the previous swing high, okay, it create another swing high, then this is just considered the valid swing low, guys. This is just considered the valid swing low. So I have showing the two example for you guys. So first, the first picture, left hand side one, you can see when the swing low bring the price, break the previous swing high, okay, and this is just considered the valid swing high and valid swing low. Okay, so the second example on the right hand side, when the swing low bring the price uptrend, but the price didn't break the swing high. It just like the wick. It just showing the wick. Okay, if it is just showing the wick, if it didn't the full candle body to break the swing high, it's not considered the swing high, the valid swing high. It also not considered the valid swing low. It's not considered the valid swing low because the price didn't break the previous swing high. If you guys can understand, please comment one. I have to make sure everyone is understand about this swing low, swing high, because this swing high, swing low is very important because I will teach you guys how to drawing the Fibonacci in your chart. So next, okay, you guys should know how to identify the break of structure. Okay, the break of structure first that I mentioned just now, the swing low should bring the price, break the previous swing high. If the swing low can bring the price, break the previous swing high, that means this is the valid break of structure. This is considered the price will continue going uptrend. The price will continue going uptrend. This is one of the proof. Okay, so second one, how to identify the market structure shift. Guys, you have to know these specific terms because when I next time in future when I sharing in the group what is MSS, what is BOS, you guys will have to know. When Will saying BOS, oh, I know what he is saying. When Will saying MSS, you will know what MSS is represent for. Okay.